All right, everyone, welcome back to our Summer 23 editions deep dive. We are going to continue going over some of the most important product updates in this 100 product update catalog that Shopify released about a month ago, outlining the most important upcoming features to promote more productivity, creativity for your Shopify stores. It's an extremely big catalog, over 100 plus new updates coming to the Shopify platform. I did an overview video linked here if you want to watch it, outlining the most important things that will impact your small business. A lot of these things aren't out yet. Some of them are out yet, and some of them aren't relevant to you at all. So I did an overview video of the most impactful things that will influence small Shopify entrepreneurs and things that you don't need to know about, like app development, for example, is a good example. If you want to watch it, click here, consider subscribing. But today we are going to look into this subscription app, Shopify Subscriptions app. This is an app made and developed by Shopify itself on the Shopify App Store that will help you sell subscriptions. Subscriptions increase recurring revenue and build customer loyalty by offering your products as subscriptions. So it has a graphic here of what it will look like. You'll have a subscription that you could offer a percentage discount to your customers, and they would be able to choose with these meta fields if they want to buy at once or if they want to subscribe and save, and if you offer delivery for specific products. So if we click into this is a feature that isn't out yet, and you can sign up to be considered for early access to Shopify subscriptions. Essentially, it's saying it is making their own app for Shopify subscriptions for free with a Shopify subscription app made and developed by Shopify. Because up until this point, you couldn't really offer subscriptions on your Shopify store unless you used a third-party app. Obviously, this is a big problem because if you want to sell subscriptions and try to increase your revenue, you have to go through a third-party app. Now they've bridged that gap by making their own subscription app, which hopefully is really, really good. And essentially all this looks like is this is a very simple app, is that once you download it, and in the video they were kind of outlining here, is that once you download it, you would go and assign the products that you want as a subscription. And then once a customer clicks that product in the checkout, you will see this. You will see this. You will see this. You'll see the meta fields on how they can subscribe and save. I mean, it's a very important business strategy nowadays. You think of the biggest companies across all kinds of different industries, everyone's trying to figure out how to get a recurring subscription. It's a very important business model. And so Shopify is doing their part to help their merchants out by introducing their new Shopify subscription app, which will be coming soon. And that's all that is. I think that's a very real, practical way for merchants, big, small, and brand new, to input into their store and access new revenue streams by offering different ways to purchase a product and have recurring revenue come in and recurring products going out for customers. So that's all that is. There's not much more information. Sometimes you click these cards and it tells you learn more, but in this case, there's just their YouTube video and nothing more really out on this yet. But as soon as more information becomes available on this, if this Shopify subscription app really is something you're excited about and you think will help your business, consider subscribing to the channel. This is kind of what I do on this channel. I have a Shopify store, you have a Shopify store, or are thinking about it. And I think it's extremely important to give yourself that competitive edge by staying up to date on all the brand new features and updates to your platform that you run your entire business on. So if that's what you're interested in, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.